Alexa, turn the volume down. Alexa, stop timer. Okay guys, so sorry about that. I noticed today was a good day. Obviously in hindsight. So here's the thing. The market had a range that was not too impressive. 133 points. I knew something had to give. So regardless of what it would have done, I'm always looking for high or low resistant liquidity run conditions. If there are liquidity runs and it is in a high resistance state, I'm not trading that day. I'm only trading when price is loose, when it's not fuzzy, but loose. What I mean by that is you can see at the open, I think people confuse this with volume. Just because price is moving, and expanding north or south in exaggerated manner, I don't think that's because of volume, but people will say that. Anyways, price here at the open created its first presented fair value gap right here, as you can see. I'm going to put a little rectangle for you guys real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't even know how to use this. Here. Alright, so right here, first presented fair value gap. This first presented fair value gap, the top of it created a support. Okay, and you can see here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order block right here. And you can really see that the support was much above it, and you can call this a breakaway fair value gap. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, look, let me put in a low risk trade in. The low risk trade is going to be entered here, as you can see. And I put my stop loss, I think I put it here. Okay, and I only had it's like four contracts. Yeah, so 4 contracts. Okay. And yeah, so today's the 6th, as you can see. So boom, yeah, so 4. And we took off, exited here. Why did I exit here? Because it was right before the closing of the 30-minute open, and I've seen it so many times where price will start to mohawk and almost made like a market maker sell model, but it didn't do that. So what I did is I actually scaled out a bit, and then left it a little bit open, had a trailing stop loss like right around here. Once I got over here, I just decided to get out. Or actually, no, I put a stop loss around here, and then it got out, and prices started to keep on moving. If you notice, this is kind of, if you go to the 5-minute, let me take this out of the way. If you go to the 5-minute, at this point, it looked like a bull flag here, and you could have put like a stop loss, after this right here. But you can see up until this point, it was a bull flag, and in low resistant conditions, you tend to see bull flags. And here, now it's all the way up here now. So not a bad day, realistically. I mean, from where I got out, which will go to the first one, to where my stop loss was, here to where I entered. I mean, it was a good day, good trading session today. Good trading conditions. So I am only trading in these conditions. How do you identify these conditions? When price presents itself to be in a low resistant liquidity run condition. Is price running for liquidity here? Technically, it's not running for stops. Okay, it's making all-time highs. All right, but it's doing so in a low resistant fashion. Okay, so there we are. See you guys tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and happy trading. Peace.